What's up, guys? So I wasn't able to remove the air intake, but in today's video, we'll get back to that. We're gonna replace the hoses, coolant hose with the Samco sport hoses. Let's do it. First, let's do the easy one. I still got rocks falling off. Make sure you have extra rags just in case it starts to drip out. You're gonna have to remove the battery door right here. This is a 5mm. I'll just hold your battery so it won't fall out. These rocks still. And yes, I have drained my system before doing this. That's why there's nothing leaking out. And then disconnect your battery. I have to be safe, right, about this. What's up? So I gave up the other day. We're back at it today. Right now, and my GoPro died too. So you missed the whole install. So bad. It's so cold, it dies quicker. So I'm replacing the hoses right here. That was a pain. So there's a hose right here, right? 1, 2, 3. There's one right here too. Then there's one in the center of the bike which I replaced. Then I just have one more left, and then on the other side, the breather hose, I have one more left, which is right here. So I need to remove. I need to remove the frame sliders again, so I can get in here to do this. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. These frame sliders are getting in the way. And this is 2 clamps that hold this part. Just take that out. To flathead. I wasn't able to get Samco clamp, but I'll be reusing the OEM one. It's in pretty good shape. Pretty sure I won't have a problem. Guys, when you have the right tool, good job. Don't become a little vacuum pump thing. Out from Amazon. Up this side. Try not to make too much of a mess, guys. Like I'm doing. Ooh, I have a great idea. You know what I think, right? What I'm gonna do is, since I'm not gonna reuse this old one, I'll cut it and pump it from there. And my little seat first, let me just unclip it. Oh, these OEM rubber. Bad thing. Rubber is great. But the bad thing about it, over time, they dry out. I'm a genius, am I? This is in the bottom of the reservoir. Come on, give it to me. I already drained most of it out. Wonderful. Imagine I didn't have this little tool. It would have been a nightmare. You got to loosen the clamp from the reservoir, which is impossible to get to. Pro die, guys, but I was able to take it out. Now I'm just put a replacement one on. Alright, so this is a few days later. So right now we're going to refill the antifreeze and make sure it doesn't leak anywhere with the new hoses, Samco hoses. So on the cap, and just fill it up. Make sure you have some rag handy in case it spills a little. And once you're filling it, just check for leaks. Anything is leaking. Be patient with it. Be patient with the guy. Once you fill it back up, you just have to close the lid and run the bike. I'm not gonna run the bike right now because I don't have a gas tank and there's no gas. Gearbox is not completely set up, but yeah, just like that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. And just make sure you have an extra rag just in case when you pull out coolant hose. Doesn't matter if there's anything in there. Like that way. So I'm gonna do the same thing with this. Just like that. I wish everything was that easy, right? Before you tighten it, just snug it. Yeah. Just put the frame slider back. It's a pain, but it saves you. Or at least lessens the damage. To remove this with the clamp, guys, you can see it. Now I just have to undo that little thing right there. But the thing, so this is on the way. So I gotta take this out. That's why Ducati owner does this. Like a quote from 105 Rider Racer. Ducati owner, once it's an oil change, they buy a new Ducati. Because they're gonna work on their own bikes. I know why now. Screw that holds the fuses. We're 4mm. Hopefully you're taking this out. I have room. Oh, got it, yeah. Awesome. Wish everything was this easy, guys. Match. Alright, so that part is done. Now I just have these 2 hoses right here. It goes from the radiator right here. So all the wrap goes underneath. Can't really see. All the way around to behind the battery tray. So I have to remove the battery tray, unclip it, and then this other one, this one right here, goes from the top of the overflow tank right here. I don't know if you can see that. Turn on the light right there. That little. Then it goes down to the floor. So let's remove the battery tray and go from there. To remove the tray, it's a 5mm. There's 3. See if I can show y'all. There's 3 5mm. So there's one right over here too. I guess I don't have to remove the hose. Thank God the system is drained out. And there's one more that the battery tray attaches to the radiator, the front radiator. I ain't missing that other tool too. Just come right. Let me show you all this. See if I can do it. Right, and then you're probably thinking, oh, That's not bad. But then, I don't know if you can see the back. Let's see. Back there, you see right there? Behind the big red rails next to the overflow. That is one piece. So you gotta connect that. That was a pain. But yeah. So I'm gonna be placing this one right over here. See? So it's gonna have to drain because it's full. So yeah, it's gonna be fine. Stupid frame. All right, now I just have one more. I'm gonna try to take the air box out, and it'll make your job 1,000 billion times easier. See if I'm sorry, I was on mute.
No, to be honest, babe, there's something wrong because of the fact that it's 1:41 in the morning, and you think it's okay for you to be working on your bike.
Babe, sorry.
No, you have no idea. I literally was about to leave this house because you're not picking up your phone. What am I supposed to know?
I was on mute, babe.
Why are you working on your bike this late?
What do you mean? I said I was gonna finish the thing I had to do, and I just finished.
So it took 2 hours?
Yeah, actually, I apologize.
No, because I'm sick and tired of you, doing stuff like this and you freaking out.
My phone's on mute. I am sorry.
God. What if someone called the cops because it's so late in the night? What if somebody came in there?
I am sorry. I don't know. I'm sorry.
It's 1:43 in the morning.
Okay.
You're still working on your bike. You have work at 9:15 because I don't understand. Why can't you just work on the bike on your days off?
Because I see you.
Have I ever stopped you from working on the bike on your days off?
No, babe. I'm sorry. It was on mute. Okay?
Are you done?
Yes. That's all. Can I clean when I get home?
Sure. It'll probably take you 45 minutes, but sure.
I'm just gonna put the tools away. I'm sorry.
I'll literally put my contacts in.
I have my ego. It's nothing. I guess I'm done for today. Finally, guys. It's gonna take some time, but I got it. See that? That's a little shenanigans right there. I'm trying to take out this right here. Slowly but surely coming out. The power of everything, it's amazing, isn't it? You guys will probably see like 5 seconds when it's really taking me hours. I got it fine.